Hello guys, it's update 16, 6.16. So it comes up with this lieutenant appointments. So this is innovator guard. First to mention, this is innovator guard. I am having a better innovator this, but I am not appointing it here because I will appoint only when I need it. Need to do construction, training, etc. etc. wherever it is to be used. So basically, we are having 19 gold cards, but there are 24 spots. 24 slots are there where you can appoint. All slots are not yet open in this account, and currently this innovator is and this ID is both are developing guards. This will not help your combat stats. So just add this 6-star Artignum, and I have put this 6-star innovator with in the looking effect for this effect, so that I get this 15% bonus, which is on 6-star. But if I put this where it is, yeah, this captain with 5-star, I miss this 15%, but I get this 10%. So it's better for me to go for the 15%. Everything else will remain unchanged. Now things are like, it's a very simple thing. Development guards, that gold guards are far better than any other guards. As you can see, purple guards are not coming up to, it's coming up to 5-star, not 6-star. So this will not get. You can only get this up to 5-star, but these purples are giving very low, while this gold is giving way higher than this. Almost better to get purple cards. Whatever the level of the purple, doesn't matter. Look, you get this level 60, you get this level. So it's just fixed for gold and purple. It varies with the star levels. That's it. So better you must go. Now the things are like this. Suppose this is the captain guard. It's a health guard. So it will get its lieutenant apartments will help you on health. Okay. Second cards as well on health, and it helping you on troop attack. Now these things are what are these things? The appointment orders. You need to do some instant numbers of appointment orders, which are going to be, I think, given, which are some of which you will be given for free through any event, and definitely some which need to buy, some need to be bought. So there's insane numbers of things to unlock this 24 slots, but that not huge differences will come out with this. As for these, you can get, you can check this 84% distance cavalry health. Then distance cavalry health is not much, that 84, then 50, 130, say 130 and 73, say 200% in health, then 20, then say 15% will cover. That was for distance, and now that for cavalry it's again 84, 63, and then 63, 63, 63, 126, then 126 and 84. It's 210% plus 15% of 210, that is again around 30%. So 210, 240, 240, and then 10% is 240 plus 24, So that will be just like uh, 264 264% of these stats, infantry and cavalry, sorry, distance and cavalry health. Nice one for this particular guard. This captain will give you this. The um, uh, second slot will give you troop attack 42, 42, and then 56. So there are some stats which are going to come, but that is not too high, but definitely high enough. Next one will be strategies. Strategies to as well work on defense as well and on health. So these guards are, there are some bonuses as well, and definitely these guards will come. These will be activated. So things are, you need to switch the guards. You need to switch the guards while if you are in combat. You don't need these guards. You can dismiss these. You can dismiss these two, aid and innovator, and you can use this there. You can use these 20, you can use those cards, gold cards, to fill your 24 slots, so that you can get the max of the benefits in these appointment slots. Also, if also to be mentioned, that suppose you are where it is, yeah, so here is the distance and cavalry attack for this enforcer, infantry attack in the second, and troop defense in the third. So all three. Then here it's a distance cavalry health, then troop attack and infantry health. So you must appoint guards while in combat. Suppose you are having a march of cavalry, you need cavalry stats. If you have sent some infantry with it, you need infantry stats. You don't need distance stat in that case. So you can switch your distance guards whatever way. If you are at all getting any benefit of distance, you don't need that on that march. Better to appoint any lieutenant, do some lieutenant appointment to get some cavalry and infantry guards. So that's about this. Just simple things, simple to appoint some guards. And these two, innovator and id, I will help you only when you get these. You are going to do some construction, training, etc., for healing, etc. Then only we need to start. And still the healing effect will be with the second slot. If you open the second slot, then only you can 120 appointment orders are needed for it. It's way too much. So it was about this lieutenant appointments. So it's finished. Thank you very much.